Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to part 3 of the Learn Astrology for Beginners. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. I'm not going to repeat all that stuff because you hear it in every video, but you know what to do. So today in this series we're going to talk about modalities. So there's 3 modalities in astrology: cardinal, fixed, and mutable. Modalities are also called quadruplicity. As you know, a quad is 4, so just remember that when you're thinking of modalities. Quadruplicity means 4. So in each of the 3 modalities, there are 4 signs within them. We're going to start with the cardinal modality. The signs within the cardinal modalities are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. What you'll notice with all those signs is that they're at the start of every season. So Aries is the start of spring, Cancer is the start of summer, Libra the start of fall, and Capricorn dead-ass winter. But yeah, the start of winter. So these signs are the initiators of change, and they mark the turning point of the temperate seasons. The word cardinal actually comes from the Latin word hinge, so you can almost think of them as the hinge of the seasons. Cardinal signs really deal with action and initiation. So just as they're the start of seasons, they also are great at starting new projects or starting new businesses or just starting new ideas. And as we go and learn about the other modalities, you'll see that they almost have a storyline of cardinals are the beginning, fixed are the middle, and mutables are the end. Think of cardinals as the power of initiation. The power of initiation. They're extremely competitive and love to be the best at everything. Cardinal signs tend to be very proud in how they do things, so they want to do it properly and they probably want to do it their own way. Next, we're going to move on to the fixed signs. The fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. So you'll see that it follows a little trend there, as cardinals are the start and fixed are the middle. And all these signs follow another sign that's in the cardinal aspect. So Aries is cardinal, Taurus follows Aries and is fixed. These are stabilizing signs that root and fully bloom. So if cardinals are the seed, think of fixed signs as the roots that come out of the seed and stay in the soil. They like to work on their ideas with concentrated focus. So they're very much like hard work equals reward. They like to put in that hard work, and they might not be as good at cardinal signs at starting new things or new ideas, but they are really great at completing them. They're really great at seeing their ideas through and really thinking about them instead of just quick action. Like cardinals, they will fully think about the ideas, concentrate on them, and figure out how to get what they want. And it might take a little longer because they want to make sure it's perfect and really slow to do it, but the important thing is it actually gets done. That's the difference with the cardinals. They might start but not finish, but fixed signs will make sure it actually gets done. Think of the fixed signs as powers of sustaining. The key words, powers of sustaining. So they're very stubborn, all about the routine, but they're gonna get it done, guaranteed. The last modality are the mutable signs. This includes Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Mutable signs are exactly what it sounds like. They're very flexible and they're totally fine with change. They would actually prefer their life to just be in constant change as opposed to fixed, who wants that slow and steady. Mutable is like, I'm flexible, I'll do whatever the hell you want, whenever you want it, I can do it. You want backflips, I got it. That's very mutable energy. Very adaptable and also very sympathetic, because they understand that not everyone might be as adaptable as they are, and they can kind of work with you to complete the race. So they're kind of really good helpers for both fixed and cardinal signs, because they're very sympathetic and they can kind of fit into any role that you really need them to. Their power is being really diplomatic and assisting others through changes. They rather change than be stable and stick with something that they know is not going to work for them, so they'll always keep changing and in flux, maybe reinventing themselves really regularly, because they see that change is actually really powerful. So the keywords for mutable signs is power of change. So they're really good at being flexible, really good at fitting into different scenarios and being really quick on their feet, and that's why they're really good peacekeepers, and they're also really good at really fast-paced environments that will just need to be really flexible and need someone that's really adaptable. So that's it. Those are the 3 different modalities in astrology. Pretty easy, pretty simple, and you'll notice that each modality has a different sign element within them. So there's a fire, air, earth, and water sign in each modality. So if you watched the last video, this next part is going to help you bring both of those concepts together. So if you can understand the elements and you understand the modalities, you have a really good basis to what each energy of the sign is. Each sign within a modality manifests that similar power in different ways, but all of them have the same underlying motive or energy. So let's go back to cardinal. I'm just gonna make this really quick and make it really simple. The fire cardinal sign is Aries. Think of Aries as physical action. They're fire, and cardinal is all about initiation, power of initiation. So they like to be the leader and fire starter in most areas of their life. And the cardinal water sign is Cancer. So think about emotional action or initiation. So they desire to be in control of their emotions and in control of the domestic matters in their life. The cardinal air sign is Libra. So think of them as the social initiators, because air is social and you got cardinal, which initiates. They like to be in charge of social environments and partnerships. The last one is our cardinal earth sign, which is Capricorn. Think of them as money or status initiation. So they like to be in control of their physical matters and the physical aspects of the world. So you can kind of see how the different elements fit in with the different modalities. So cardinal initiates earth, status, money, air, social, water, feelings, fire, action. So this is how you start connecting different ideas together and understanding the signs in a way that really makes sense. So you'll see, a lot of themes can start combining together, and that's when your astrology readings start to become more in depth and start to make more sense to you and help you read others. So going in depth with the fixed signs and the elements. So fixed equals sustaining. So the fixed fire sign is Leo. So they like to have fixed behavior and a fixed sense of authority. The fixed water sign is Scorpio. So fixed emotions. So they're not the kind of people that like gray. They either like black or white. There's no in between. Very fixed viewpoints in that regard. They either love it or they hate it. The fixed air sign is Aquarius. So they have fixed opinions, and they will not change their self-image or personal opinions for anyone. They're really fixed on how they present themselves to the world and their social cues, their social standings. And the fixed earth sign is Taurus. They like having fixed material, so that's why people say they love luxury, and they refuse to compromise on material or self-indulgences. That's why they're fixed in the material sense. So I hope this is you're starting to be able to connect these modalities with the elements. So I'm just going to finish off with mutable. The mutable fire sign is Sagittarius. And remember, mutable means change, the power of change. So Sagittarius likes to change through new knowledge. That's why they're known for being all about new experiences, traveling, the sign of learning and adventure. The mutable water sign is Pisces, so they're all about change of emotions. So they're very empathetic and good at understanding the emotions of the people around them. The mutable air sign is Gemini, so they have a very mutable intellect and social standing. So they change their mind and ideas and directions in life very often. And the last is the mutable earth, which is Virgo, and they represent the change in the physical sense. So they will change whatever they need to do in the physical world in the name of perfection. They don't find it too hard to change their daily life and how the way the day goes or the course of the day goes. They're easy to change in that regard. Understanding the elements and modalities is a great way for you to get just a hint of the different signs without overloading your brain too much. I will break down all the signs in my next video, of a video just on fire signs, a video just on air, water, earth, and I will reiterate the elements and the different modalities in that signs again, just to help you remember how everything kind of fits together. Thanks again for joining me on this video. I'm so happy you're still here and you're interested in learning astrology. I can't wait to see you read your own chart and read other people's, and just creating more astrology love around the world. Thank you guys, and see you soon.